from fiscal discipline under President Aquino that resulted in the first ever investment grade ratings from Fitch, Standards and Poor, and Moody's Investment that Duterte and Marcos administration turned it into a fiscal disaster. The foreign investment inflows that reached $7.08 billion during the Aquino administration were wiped out by the two succeeding administrations. As of 2025, the net outflow in foreign investment total $7 billion. Umalis na po ang mga foreign investor. Ang palitan ng piso sa dolyar halos umabot na ng 60 piso. Bagsak din po ang index level ng stock market to an all-time low. Ngayon po, 5,500 base points.